Hello guys, welcome to Street Jam. I finally made it and got my first Leica camera. Well, we will start the review after my quick tea break. I always thought I would probably get one of the older models, but when I had the opportunity to get the M10 for the price of an M240, I couldn't resist but get this one. So here are my initial thoughts of the M10 and the street photography scores. As usual, we will start with the sneakiness. Camera size and the color makes it a sneaky one, and the shutter sound is only average in the loudness. But if you want to shoot in the high continuous mode, then it gets pretty loud. Here, you may listen. So it gets an 8 points for the sneakiness. Usability. Well, you probably already know there is no autofocus in this camera. But knowing where you focus by looking at the lens from the top and in good light, zoom focusing is much more faster and accurate than any autofocus cameras. The camera is very well balanced in the hand and really makes a difference for the camera shake. So it gets a 9 points out of 10 for the usability. Now the style. Well, this camera is the most beautiful camera in the world, in my opinion. But as soon as you start shooting with it, you simply do not want to pick up any other camera. So this one, for the first time in this channel's history, gets a 10 points for the style. IQ. The image quality is second to none for me. In the understanding for dynamic range and low light shoots. The sensor is better than the Sony's 24 megapixels cameras. And the colors are the most true to life colors I've seen in any other systems. So the image quality gets a 9 points too. In conclusion, this camera is not for the inexperienced photographers, but for those who are experienced enough and wanting to take their photography skills to the next stage, with zone focusing and other manual skills, for the photographers who are obsessed enough not to leave it to the camera. Thanks for watching, folk, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.